Hey everyone, welcome back. So in this video we are going to see the next part of web design. So that is setting up the background image and adding text or adding a card on top of that background image. So we'll see how to do that, but before getting started with the video, if you're new to this channel, please do subscribe and hit on the bell icon. So whenever I upload a new video, you will immediately get a notification on it. Also do follow me on my Instagram page. The link is given here or it is added in my description as well. So let's get into the video. So this is the design that we need to get. So we have done till the second section. So this is going to be the third section, that is our menu. So here also we have a background image. You can see that that image is not moving. So let's see how to set this and work with this. So let's close this section 1. Okay. So section 1 is done now. So let's tell here this as section 2. Okay. So I'm just telling. So here it has come section 2. Remove that and for class just add section 2. Okay. So inside this section we'll have a container. We'll have a row. We'll have a column MD of 12. So here we have one title, right? So we have one title which is our menu. So let's set that first. So let's give in an h2 tag. I'm just telling our menu. So here also our menu is in black and red, white. It is in black and white. Here it is black and red. So we have to set accordingly. So let's use a span tag here. Okay. On top of this, let's use a span tag. Okay. Inside the span tag, cut this menu and paste it. Cut it from here as well and add a class is equal to text white. So I need that in white color, right? So I have given text white. So when you reload that, you will not be able to see because we have not set the background image. First thing is that we have to do that. We'll just comment this line of code from H2. Okay. So first we'll go set the background image. So copy this, go to custom CSS and just paste the class name and tell background image. So here is a background image. So how to set the background image is you have to give the URL there. Give URL and inside URL within double quotes. Okay. Add 2 dot and slash and then go for image. And inside this image we are going to select which is that background. We are going to select BG1 JPG. So here tell BG1 JPG. So let's go see if we are getting that image here. Reload. So I've reloaded. We didn't get the image. Let us see what is the fault there. Maybe we didn't set the height and width. BG1 JPG. Go add background color and check. Let's uncomment this first. And now let's go reload this. We are getting this, but background image is not displayed. So let's check with that. Inspect. Here we have. Comment this. Comment. Let's give background color and let's give black for now. I'm gonna reload. Background color is also not getting set. So why is this happening now? Here why the background image didn't display is just give BG1. So that is because here we have made a mistake in section. So make sure you correct it. SE. So the spelling is mistaken here. So please do correct it. So that is why we didn't get the image there. So now we have got the image. Now we have to set it according to our height and width, all of those things. So here what we'll do is inside custom.css tell background size as cover and background. Okay, give your cover and background position give as center, 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 and we have background repeat. So background repeat, no repeat, and we have position give fixed, and background attachment, there is attachment give as fixed. The position just give as relative and reload. So here you have. So now what we have to do is we have to bring this little down and align it to the center. Let's quickly do that. So here itself you can give text center, or here only we'll give class, add a class and tell text center, and for the container tell margin top as 5. Now let's reload. So here we have, so this what happened is for the container we have given. Now for this also we have to give, which is that text. So here you can give margin top 5 you can give for this column, and just reload this page. So here you got little down. Now we need this with the underline, right? So the same underline which we have done here, you can just copy paste that line of code, which is this div underline. So copy, close this and paste it after this h2 tag. If you want, you can add a break tag there. So for now, I am not going to add a break tag. So I've got this underlined one. So the next thing that we have to do here is, here if you can see, we have done with this. Here we have 3 cards and we have to adjust the design for that. So we'll just move with the first card and then we'll copy paste the next thing. So this is done now. For this column MD12 is done for now. Next we have to create one row. So when this is, see, this entire container is of 12. So it is divided into 4, 4, 4. So it means that that container is divided into 2 parts again. Okay. So that is what I mean, 3 parts again. So that is what we are going to do now. Here when you click after row, just create one row and tell column MD4. So 4 3 times makes 12, right? So that is the thing that you should know. Tell card and then inside card give an image tag. Okay. So now this is that. So for image you can just take assets slash images slash menu pizza. Will go with menu pizza, and you can just give the alternative name as card image, or else you will get this design from get bootstrap. You can just copy that design and design accordingly. It is not necessary that you have to follow the same thing. You can go to get bootstrap. I'll just show you. Go to get bootstrap, but it is better when you type at the very beginning stage. It is very useful if you type. So here you can just go type for card. You will get the card. You can copy this design and you can just modify accordingly. So I have just copied. So after this column, I have card, right? I'll just paste this thing here. Okay. So I can set everything, right? So according to my need, I'm going to set now. So I don't need this style here. So I'm just removing it. I have a card and image. I'm just going to give assets slash images and menu pizza I've given, and you have class name here and alternate you can just give. Then inside card body you have something like this. So let's go reload this and check how it looks actually. So I have reloaded. See, you have got one card, but here are some title that needs to be added. So we'll just design accordingly. We don't need that, but we are only going to take the title. We don't need this paragraph, and we'll have that button. So what we are going to do is we'll just remove this paragraph. Here card title we have. So let's give this as pizza. And here explore, I think explore. Okay. it's just left the same way. So we have got that here. I have not designed extra anything, but I have just given this pizza here. That's it. Pizzas. So that's it. Here also we have done the same, and here also. Now we need this. The same card should be repeated 2 times more for burger and momos. Okay, here the card is little bit big. You can just adjust that. So we'll see that as well. Okay, so before that, I think this is fine. So here, copy this card, paste, paste. So what happens here is it will be repeated 3 times. Okay, here I'll say why the card is like this, because maybe because of the size, width. Okay, maybe because of the width this is happening. So what you have to do is try giving 2 card. Okay, try giving 2 card. Let's remove this, save, reload. So it's down here. So why that happened is here we have given column size 4. So which means again when we are adding the same size card, what happens is it just don't have space there. So it is coming to the next. I mean it is moving from that place to different place. For this what you have to do is you have to cut this card and here tell column MD4 and paste it. Okay. So similar way column MD4 paste it once again. So now you will have 3 different cards like this. So you have to change the image to burger and momos. We'll do that. So here we have images slash menu burger and here menu momos. Now let's go reload. You got the images changed. This is how you do this section. And here we have some gap where here we don't have. For that what you have to do is for card, where is that card? Hit this row, right? Change this also. Okay, change this to pizza and burger. Let's do that. Here we have burgers and for this card we have just reload burgers and momos. So yeah, that's it in this video guys. I hope this video was helpful. So this is how you do add a background image and write the content you need. This is just a simple design, but you can do more with this. Like you can add text, you can add more about this pizza, you can give this title on top, you can do anything. So this is just a simple design. I hope this video was helpful. If you have any doubt or suggestion, do let me know in the comment section. Like, share and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching. See you guys in the next video.